How to create Fiverr Portfolio 2023 even without paying. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you can create a Fiverr profile for yourself without paying in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And you can start getting money from the first day, and that would be today. So how can we upload a portfolio so good that you get a very successful account with great sales and great things to actually add for yourselves? Okay, so let's say a portfolio per se, I can add certifications, education skills, I can link accounts, I can take tests and different language tests and have descriptions in here. But what do I have to do to actually make it so activated that people will actually see that it's a representative portfolio and this person would be good to buy from? So you know you're gonna want to keep a very minimalistic logo to keep it professional. You can add a Linktree landing page, so in case you need to create a gig into Fiverr and try to make your thumbnail as much as interesting as much as you can. So very interesting. It can be made, and you can create new gigs depending on what is your gig, and you're going to be creating your thumbnails. So before we dig into this, I'm going to go into my Fiverr section over here, and once you're I'm going to go ahead and switch to buying. Yeah, I'm already in buying, and something let's go ahead and let me search something related to my niche. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for something to create that let's go ahead with a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna go with YouTube thumbnail, and here you can see there's an example of a lot of thumbnails. Or let me just wait for it to load in. Yeah, 18,000 examples of different thumbnails, and there's different creators on Fiverr because there's lots and lots of competition. But only for this specific tutorial, take a look here into all the different thumbnails, as you can see. So a lot of these ones look interesting. The problem is that all of them look really interesting, and you don't actually know which one do you want to choose. So in my case, I think the option can be a little bit more, for example, like more interesting is these ones right here, which have a lot of things popping up on them. So you get the point. And you can obviously go ahead with the ones with higher ratings as well. So in this case, you can see these people with high ratings or these people with high ratings. You get the whole point. So obviously we want to go with something that actually pops. We want to go with something that says, yeah, this is the design. This, what you're seeing over here right now, is the shit. That is what you're going to want to go with. So to create some, really interesting looking design like this, and to create something that, gives us the best of both worlds when it comes to designing and Fiverr, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go over to canva.com. Okay, we're going to want to go over to canva.com, and once you're into canva.com, basically over here is where we're going to start working with our basic necessities. Okay, and in our basic necessities, obviously we have to include the basic things like first of all, we're going to come here, we're going to write thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail, there we go. So we're going to choose the custom fields for this. Now you can obviously copy off the settings off of other creators. So let's say you can copy off settings from some of Mr. Beast's thumbnail creators, because Mr. Beast thumbnails are pretty good. They're pretty well off and they look pretty nice in my opinion. And then moreover, moving on, you can for a thumbnail, first of all, let's say there's this one over here. So, you need to add a person who's, sincerely shocked with something. So you can, choose these different types of designs which have a lot of great reactions, or you can use, reactions like this. So how to invest in stock market, large speeders, and investments. So basically you're gonna want to go with a design where a person is looking quite shocked with whatever news that you're displaying in the front. So let's say, yeah, I'm going to create a video on how to invest in the stock market. So what you can do is, let's say I'm going to go with Bitcoin Well, you know what? You could just go with crypto PNG. Okay, I'm just gonna go with crypto PNGs so I can get a lot of, high resolution crypto PNGs to download. And once you find crypto PNGs for yourself, find something that obviously goes with this output of the look. I'm gonna go with some, let's go with the top one because that relatively looks better. Let's go with Bitcoin, or you know what? Let's go with these three. Now, once you go with these three, you're gonna click on download. And once you click on download, it's going to basically attribute this image, and there you go. It starts getting added. And while that is added, I'm going to call it man shocked PNG. And obviously, you're going to want to make sure that this is pretty high quality as well. So, surprised man images, I'm going to go with this. And once you've gone with this, make sure that the direction of the man is towards, your title. I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to click on download. Again, free download. And once we've done that, we're going to go ahead into our, design. So as your things are being downloaded, I'm going to, extract one of them. So extract this to cryptocurrency over here. So as we extract this, I'm also going to go ahead and extract the other one, which is downloaded. And there's the other portrait. And as you can see, the other portrait pretty well off as well. So I'm gonna go with this one as well. Yeah. So both these images are pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go over to remove.bg, and over here is we're gonna be removing our background really quickly to add it to our design over here. Okay. So I'm gonna just quickly, do this in the quickest way possible. So go on download, take your image. This is the first image that we took off, and I'm gonna go with the second image as well. Here we go. So once you've added your images, you're gonna take off the removed backgrounds, and once you take off the removed backgrounds, things are gonna be pretty simple to work with. So it just uploads, deletes the background of the image, and once the background of the image is deleted, so there we go. You're just gonna click on download. You're gonna bring this here. And obviously you're going to take a PNG of that other man as well. I'm going to bring this here. I'm going to make it smaller. And you can even increase the size of these cryptos, to be honest. I'm going to increase the size. And then you can add a man behind here who's like extremely shocked with this news that you're providing him. So yeah, that's how you're going to make a thumbnail. And then you're going to click on share, click on download, download it, and then sell it on Fiverr to have the best portfolio. So yeah, that's essentially about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.